Now, okay, Eduardo, magician, we will talk about the new fundamentals of forehand for William. Now, he will try to point always with his left shoulder to where he want to play. And when it's a cross-court position, show William how it has to be. When it's cross-court, the right leg has to be a bit more open, William, remember. No, the other way. This is the key. Okay, then point with left arm, then go through, and don't take the racket. Exactly. Something like that, but bending the knees and going through with the hand. Okay, now we will see the exercise. Okay, William, cross court from there. Short one. Yeah, bending. Remember about what I was saying about the right leg and not twisting before hitting. Keep your body balance, bend your knees and go through. Remember to open the court message, like you're doing now. Exactly. Go through. Longer swing. Yeah, but bend your knees and go through with your body. Exactly. It's this timing. Bending your knees and then go forward. Bending and go forward. Exactly. Perfect shot now. And then another time. Yes. Now he's opening the court, playing spin forehand. But even like that, he can play the hard one. Play hard ones, William. Exactly. He still can play hard, but now he has more control of his game. Exactly. Play harder. Even harder in front of you, a bit flatter. Okay. Then we can see that William is able to play as hard as before and still playing with same speed on his legs, but now he has more control and he's moving more the hand. He has to keep this leg not passing before hitting, or then he will find this contact point that is late. And because of that, it's impossible to open the court that much. If he can do like that and then go through, like the pros are doing, then he can open the court a bit more, and it's an easier shot and more control on this one.